head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Midali and today is Sunday. So basically I really don't know why am I vlogging the day today, because I honestly have no plans as to what am I going to do today. But then I thought maybe I can make my day interesting by vlogging it, if that makes sense. So let's see what am I going to do today, which I myself don't know. But yes, let's see what I'm going to do and let's start the vlog. Okay, so finally let us start the day at 1 p.m. That is how my Sunday goes like. Let's go! So I began with scrolling my Instagram a bit and looking for ideas here and there for my YouTube and my Instagram. And then I began to plan and writing my journal, of course, and some general stuff here and there, what I want to do and what is needed and all of those things. Now here is my journal task for today, which says eat a raw chili and keep some milk next to you. Well, all the best to me for this. I again went about looking for some ideas for my reels and stuff, for my dance videos and everything. Okay, hello, hi, quick update. I just finished editing an audio for one reel that I'm going to shoot today in the evening. I'm very excited for it. Like, it's the first time that I edited an audio and I'm very happy with the edit. I just hope that the reel turns out really good and you'll get to see it very very soon on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me there. And I'm back to shooting with my phone because the camera कार्ड गॉट फुल, तो अभी मुझे इसके फोल्डर्स ट्रांसफ़र करने हैं अपने लैपटॉप में एंड देन आई बी एबल टू शूट विद इट बैक अगैन. आई कीप शिफ्टिंग बिटवीन माई फ़ोन एंड कैमरा इन बिटवीन, सो प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड. एंड अभी इट्स 2:30, so I'll just go and have my lunch abhi and then I'll come back. And because आज संडे है एंड आई थिंक इस वीक थर्सडे से हमारे एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट है, तो आई थॉट कि थोड़ा सा पढ़ भी लेते हैं, अदरवाइज सो या आई विल बी स्टडीइंग अ लिटिल बिट right now, though I really don't study on Sundays. I mean, I don't know why, but I just don't study on Sundays, but because exams are there, so I thought of studying a little bit. So I'll do that. I'll do a 1 hour session of study. 1 hour is enough, I think. So I'll do a 1 hour session of studying, and after that I'll probably start shooting and all of that. So yeah, let's just see. Abhi I'm going for lunch. Okay, so I'm back from lunch. I'm sorry I couldn't shoot that bit because I was really busy talking to my mom and eating, so I couldn't shoot that bit. But right now we are getting ready for our 1 hour study session, which is going to be a very serious study session with no distractions. So I'm going to use my phone to shoot so that I don't use my phone while studying. And yes, let's get started. So I sat down and finally began my 1 hour long study session. Then we ended up getting a very surprise assignment from the college even on Sunday, so we had to complete it and submit it within an hour. So I started doing it. Hello. So finally now I'm going going to be practicing my choreography, not my choreography, but the choreography that I have to do right now. So I'll practice it and then I'll perform it, then I'll shoot a few things, and that is how my Sunday will go. Hello again. So finally clothes selection is done. Now I'm going to quickly go and change and come back. Okay, hello. So we are done with our costume and now I just have to make my hair and do a bit of makeup and I'll be good to go. I'm not shooting with my camera because it's dead. You can see. मर चुका है ये और मेरे फ़ोन में भी बहुत कम बैटरी है. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ ऑन चार्जिंग एंड आई एम शूटिंग अलॉन्ग विद दैट. सो या आई क्विकली डू माई हेयर एंड माई मेकअप एंड कम बैक. And finally we are shoot ready and this is how I'm gonna look for my shoot today, and this is the backdrop that I've created for the shoot because I'll be shooting indoors only. So I've put 2 dupattas of mama to create this, and here is my mama putting the 3rd dupatta so that the switch gets covered. Okay, hello, finally after such a long time. It is 8 o'clock at night. I mean, it took me like forever to shoot. I don't know why today, because I had to take so many retakes. I mean, it was awful. And the best part, I'll show you it. This happened to my chashma today. It has been, पता नहीं क्या हुआ है इसके साथ. I just probably sat on it, I don't know. And अब ये टेढ़ा हो चुका है पूरी तरीके से. I don't know ये लॉकडाउन में ठीक हो भी पाएगा या नहीं, but thankfully I have a second pair of glasses, so इतना टेंशन नहीं है उस बात का. But I'm really sad at the fact कि मैंने अपना चश्मा बिगाड़ लिया because I really love my चश्मा. But anyways, अभी I shot like a dance video and like two reels I think. So it's not up to my expectations what I had expected I'd do, क्योंकि एक ही शूट करने में इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया that I couldn't do much and I am hell tired right now. I just want to get unready very quick and have dinner and just go off to sleep. I'm so tired right now, so I'll just quickly remove my makeup. Also, I had to stop the recording of the camera like in between the shoot because the card was full and I had no time to empty the camera, so the footage is very less and I couldn't record the whole shoot. But it's good because there was a lot of time waste and I almost lost my energy today. I was like, आज तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. I was like that, but thankfully it happened and then I was cool. But then this chashma thing happened and I was like, it's horrible. It was horrible today. And finally here we are to complete our journal task for today, which is eating raw chilies. So I'm gonna choose the chili and let's start eating. Finally, it's TV time with my sisters. So we decided to order some food for today because anyway it's Sunday. So we ordered some food from outside and I swear the food was yum. This pastry especially was yum. So yeah, the food was really good. Okay, so I'm back from dinner, and it took me quite long for dinner today because we were busy watching TV and all that stuff. So it is around 11 now. So right now I have to do a couple of tasks which are still pending from my to-do list. So I have to complete my planner, and also I have to watch a few videos. As I mentioned in my previous vlog, that I have started this habit of learning one thing every day. So that bit of learning is left today, which I'll do abhi. And yes, that will be pretty much what I am looking for doing today. So let's just quickly get started and get these two tasks done. Okay, so I'm done with all my daily tasks for today that I had planned, and I must say it was a really fun day today. I didn't do much of productive things today, but I think I shot, which I think was really nice today. I didn't expect it to happen this way. So overall the day was quite crazy. I quite enjoyed it. Thank you for being a part of it. Thank you for coming till the end of this video and watching it till here. If you liked it, do not forget to hit the like button, share and comment. I will be going right off to sleep, and also thank you so much for 30k subscribers. I am very thankful. Thank you so much. Keep loving, keep supporting, keep watching, and keep letting me know that what you want from me on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.